Okay.
We use a pink ruler that has a larger measurement for the upper teeth and a smaller one for the lower teeth. So if we measure the upper teeth, we put this on the distal of the upper lateral and we run it along the incisal edges to the distal of the opposite lateral. And that comes out as 5.5. We can also measure the lower teeth in the same way by putting the pointer on the left lower lateral incisor and run it along the incisal edges to the other side. We get a little smaller one because he has crowding, but we would put a 5.5 in that would fit both. So we take a 5.5 and we put this in and we make sure the upper incisors fit into the slots for those upper teeth, and then you can bite down real hard. You see it fits almost perfectly to those teeth, and we measure to make sure that the gum lines don't interfere with the appliance. Otherwise we might trim the appliance slightly with a carbide acrylic burr. And he used to wear this, close your lips, he used to bite down at least a minute or two at a time, almost as hard as you can. And you do that for about a minute or two or even 5 minutes, and then you relax, but don't let your teeth part. You just relax your muscles, and then you bite again. And you do this off and on for at least 20 minutes at a time, and those should add up to about 2 hours per day, and you also wear it at night. You think you can do that?